Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and today I will be covering this type of filters called the pixelated filters, and these type of filters have a lot of variations as well. So I will be showing you how you can use these filters to enhance or manipulate your image a lot better. Right? So as you can see that I have this image of a brown color jellyfish opened up, and I've unlocked the layer as well. So I'm just going to rename my layer for now to jellyfish. Wait, jellyfish. Okay. So now, if you go over here to your filters panel, you will see this option which says pixelate, right? So I'll show you some of my favorite ones, right? Favorite ones from here. The first one being crystallize. Right, so if you select this, you can see that the crystallize effect has these kind of small shapes in your entire shape, in your entire image. Right, so as you can see over here, you can adjust the cell size. You can make it as small as to 10 or increase the size as bigger as you like. Right, so I'll stick to a really low number. I will stick to, let's give it a 10 size as well, and then click on OK. So it'll take a couple of seconds, but as you can see that even though it has been crystallized, let me zoom in like this, right? You can see that the image has been crystallized, and you couldn't really see it properly in this entire image because the cell size itself was extremely small. So I'm going to undo this, and I'm going to show you the same effect of how it can look like with a bigger cell size, right? So going back to crystallize, and let's increase the size a little bit. Let's increase it to 79, or let's just increase this to 80, and then click on OK. And there you go. And now you can see the crystallizing type of effect in your image like that. So this was the first effect, crystallize, and now you can see the cell sizes as well. Right, so I'm going to undo this, and let's see some other effects as well. So coming over here to color half tone, right? So you can increase or decrease the radius over here. You can just play around with it as well. And if you click on OK, and there you go. If I zoom in like this, you will see that this type of an effect comes onto your image like that. You see this kind of like a really bright pattern has been made like that. Okay, so by far you can make out that it's some kind of a grainy effect, but when you zoom in, then only you will be able to see all these patterns right over here. Okay, so I'm going to undo this as well. Okay, coming back. Now I'll show you another one, which is another favorite one of mine, which is the mosaic. As you can see, so the mosaic is a lot like it's a lot like crystallization ones, except that the cell size over here, it's in a square shape, right? So let's also increase the cell size. This time, let's increase it to 100 and click on OK. And there you go. This is kind of like a mosaic tile shape type of effect that you can add in your images to enhance them a lot better. And like that. So I'm going to show you one more. Face it. So let me show you another one. So we go back to Pixelate and let's see pointillize. Alright, so now you can see in the pointillize, it's again the same thing except there are dots. So now, of course, you can increase or decrease the cell size as per your liking. And let me keep it to a high 90 cell size. And like that. So this is another one which is called the pointillize. And one last effect, which is mezzotint. Mezzotint is again like this, and you can actually choose the dots, like the dots and the strokes and everything. So it's up to you as to how you want to play it, right? So I'm not going to show you each one. So you can see from the preview over here as well. So let's just keep it to short lines for now. And if you click on OK, you can see that this type of an effect comes up. So this was just a brief about how you can actually use the pixelate option from this filters option. You can use these, play around with the effects, you can play around with the settings and see which effect looks best in your image. So I've covered all of them and I hope you found this video to be useful. And with a little practice, you can play around with the effects, you can play around with the settings and enhance or improve your images a lot better. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.